Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G82 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can activate the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so first of all you want to open up the settings. Here scroll all the way down until you stumble upon the system settings. Let me find them real quick. Alrighty, here it is. At the system settings page, you gotta go for the languages and input. Here, choose the on-screen keyboard, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, you gotta tap on preferences. Alrighty, my bad. And here, just turn on this number row switch. And that will effectively mean that you have successfully enabled the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device, as you can see right here. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.